Sometimes you need to hide data that you don't need anymore, but you don't want to delete it from your sheet. So you can actually hide rows and even columns if you want to. So let's say Fiona has moved away and I'm going to just hide her data. So I've selected her row. I'm going to right click and I'm going to select hide row. Notice now I have two arrows. If I click on those arrows, I will get Fiona's data back. You can also select multiple rows to hide, drag to select, and then select hide rows. If you need the rows back, again, double click on those arrows and the report will come back.